So my family wanted a burger, and boy did I give it to them. I call this one $1 Million Burger, not because it's so expensive, but because it's so good.
Hey guys, today on the menu I am making a burger with macaroni and cheese. Get ready for this one, guys. It's going to be super good, and let's get started. I already have my water boiling, and I put a little bit of my Himalayan salt inside, and I'm just going to drop these noodles into the water and let those be boiling while we're going to give that a good stir. Let me go over what I have here. I have Angus beef, jalapeno peppers. I'm going to fry them. So I have a little bit of flour and also cornmeal. I have my seasonings here, steak sauce, smoked Gouda with bacon, 3-pepper Kobe Jack cheese, sour cream, my pretzel bun, and my green onions. Okay, so we'll begin with, actually I just want to chop up all my things and get those out of the way. So that's what we're going to do now. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Today was beautiful. The sun was out and it just gave me life. I said, what would be great for today? What would be good to put on my channel? What should I share with you guys? So I spoke with the family. They said burgers. I said, let's kick it up a notch. Let's do macaroni and cheese oozing out the butt. All right. Now I'm going to take this and stir it around. I'm getting my sauce ready. That smells so good. Okay, next I am going to chop my green onions. My green onions is actually going to go into my macaroni and cheese. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. I discovered this years ago. I love layers of flavor, and this is definitely one way you can get them in there, honey. Especially when we're talking about a burger. Drop a comment and let me know if you have ever wanted to put two of your most cherished dishes together, like a macaroni and cheeseburger. I love eating, I love flavor, and so that's what we do here on Tanya LTV. All right, next I'm going to take my jalapeno peppers, and we are going to fry these to perfection, honey. We want a little bit of heat. And I'm cutting these jalapenos at an angle on purpose. I don't want them straight across. I kind of want them a little bit angled, and you get more length on them. And so you have to use less unless you are a jalapeno lover. Actually, I have two here. I think I'll just use one. Next, I am going to take my meat and dump my seasonings. Here I have shallots, basil, black pepper, paprika, onion, garlic powder, and sea salt. And I'm just going to dump it right over my Angus beef. Now, you don't have to use Angus. I love Angus and sirloin. So next, I'm just going to mix all of this up. And we're going to make those burger patties. Okay, so I'm taking my parchment paper and I'm just going to lay it over my cutting board, and I'm going to begin to make my patties. You're just going to scoop some meat out. And I like to round mine kind of like this and throw them on there. We want them kind of beefy and good and stuff. And I'm just going to make up these patties. I'll be right back. We're going to put them on that little cast iron grill, honey, and get the goodness started. All right, I have my burgers on the grill. Okay, so those burgers are on that grill, honey. I put my macaroni and cheese in a container. I have my butter in here and a little whipping cream. So we're going to give that a good stir. Next, I'm going to add my seasonings. I have white pepper, paprika, Himalayan salt and onion powder. And I'm just going to add that right into my macaroni. Give that a good stir. Right, next I'm going to take my sour cream and put it inside of here. I'm going to mix that up. It's so good. When I tell you it's super good, it's super good. We will add our cheese and green onions right on in there. Now I smell this happening already. Oh my goodness. I love layers and layers and layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of flavor, honey. Alright, I'm going to mix this up. Now because this is going to go on a burger, I am not going to, because it's already really done. I just need that creamy sensation going through because I want this thing oozing out this burger, honey. You all, I smell this seasoning and this cheese in here. I cannot wait. It is going to be so good. You see, it's super creamy. Alright, in the oven it goes. Okay, I just flipped those burgers over. They are smelling delicious. I'm going to add onion powder to my jalapenos. We're going to bread them, get them over there in that hot oil, and let them fry.
Mix that seasoning up all the way through those jalapenos.
So you're just going to dip it over in the milk, right into the flour and cornmeal. Give it a good toss onto the plate. Super simple, super tasty, super delicious. Okay, next I am going to place my pretzel buns right down on this cast iron. I have butter. Okay, so after those jalapenos come out of that grease, you see they're breaded and crunchy and ready for this burger. You want to place them on a paper towel so that you can drain the excess oil out of them so you can have a nice, good, greaseless burger, okay? You don't want it too greasy because you have so much cheese in that macaroni and cheese. You want it just right. Okay, guys, I have everything together. I forgot to tell you, I made a little bacon. Have that chopped up right here. Now it's time to build a burger, okay? So I have my pretzel bun here. We're going to start with, actually, let's put a little sauce right here. You don't need a whole lot, but just a little something to get those flavors going through it. You're going to take a burger, you're going to add it. You're going to take some of this good old macaroni. Look at it, guys. Ooh! Lay it on there, honey. I'm going to take another piece of meat. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put that right on it. Yummy. Yes, honey. This is going to be your ultimate burger, okay? Next, I'm going to take my bacon that we've chopped up. I'm going to pile it here. Now this you might have to eat with a knife and a fork. Good luck. I'm going to drizzle some of our sauce right down on it. Layers and layers and layers of flavor. We'll spread that over our pretzel bun. Add our fried jalapenos. Honey, voila. And there it is. Doesn't that look good? Oh my God. Alright guys, my family is going to be super happy. I guess we'll try to wrap our mouths around it and take a bite. Honestly, that burger was too big for my little mouth. So I made a single one and I'm getting ready to indulge. I'll let you guys know exactly how it tastes. Look at it. This is still huge.
I know, right?
They just all in my video, y'all. It's okay. But you know what? Y'all, this is good. Wow. All right. Man. I just want to keep eating, okay? Guys, remember, live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, guys. Bye. Yeah, that's good.